In the previous session, we are discussed about the factor reversal test and time reversal test along with example. Now let us take up the next concept, that is consumer price index number, or is also called as cost of living index number. Both are the same. Before that, I can solve an example of weighted average of price relative method. So in this method, price relatives of current year are calculated on the basis of base year. Since in the weighted method we need to calculate the weights and find the products of weights and price relatives, and then average is calculated. That is price relative equal to P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100, as the P1 is the price of current period and P0 is the base period. We need to calculate weights if not given. So W equal to P0 Q0, in the sense price as well as quantity of the base period is taken as weight here. So P01 taking as price of that, so that is equal to sum of RW divided by sum of W. Now example, construct the index number for the following data. See, commodity is given for 98, price is given 98, price in 2005 is given. Now solution, commodity Y, A, B, C, D, E, quantity in 1998, price in 1998, price in 2005. Weights are P0, Q0, are equal to P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100 and RW. See, quantity is given, price is also given, weighted equal to P0 into Q0. So P0 is Q0 is quantity, P is the price is 50, quantity is 2, that is equal to 100. Similarly, 40 into 3 120, 40 into 5 200, 100 into 2 200, 160 into 1 160, total is 780, and RW, R is given, so 14,000. This R equal to P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. Now RW is this next. So P0 equal to sum of RW divided by sum of W equal to 1,01,000 divided by 780, 129. Now next section is consumer price index number. So what is meant by consumer price index number or cost of index number? It is also known as, it measures the average change in the retail prices. So consumer price indexes or cost of living index number are intended, or the purpose of this is to represent the average change over the time in the prices paid by the ultimate consumer of the specified basket of goods and services. So main groups of consumers for the consumers are whom consumer price index numbers have been calculated in India are the industrial workers, the urban or non-manual workers, and the agricultural laborers. Now before that, so what is the need of this consumer price index? See, need of constructing consumer price indices arises because in general the index number failed to give an exact idea of the effect of change in general price level on the cost of living different classes of people in the different manners. Different classes of people consume different types of commodities, that is obvious, and the same type of commodities are not consumed in the same proportion by different classes of people. Example, so the example is the consumption pattern of rich people, poor people, and middle class people varies widely, because also the consumption pattern of the people of the same class differ from place to place. See, whenever the mode of expenditure of lower division or clerk or a lower class living, one who is in living in Delhi differ from that of from another uh, same category of in Bangalore, same category in Bangalore. So a lower division clerk living in Delhi and differ widely from that of the another clerk of the same category living in Bangalore. So consumer price index helps us in determining the effective rise and the fall in the prices of different classes of consumers living in this. So this may be the need of consumer price index. This is the this may be asked in the MCQ questions. The need of consumer price index number. You have to give the reason. You should know this. So we need the prepare this because general index numbers highlight. These are the reasons. Now construction of CPI. How to construct that? The following steps are observed to construct the consumer price index. So selection of class of consumer. Consumer should be classified into various classes like industrial labor, teachers, etc. Different classes of people. Lower grade in the same office, lower grade, middle grade and upper grade. And inquiry about the family budget. So we select a sample of adequate number of irrespective families from the selected group and following information is collected. So while collecting the data, we have to take up large number of houses so that the variation will decrease. If you take the small size, then the error increases. To control the error or decrease the error, to have decrease of error, we should select more number of households for the inquiry. What are the information collected? So commodities consumed, quality of these commodities, prices of these commodities, so total expenditure incurred by consumers. So next information about prices, the retail prices of selected goods and services should be gathered from the area to which these consuming belong. Next, assigning weights, how to give the weightage. So weightage to different items must be given according to their relative importance. So these are the steps in the construction of CPI. Let us see how to calculate the consumer price index number in the next class. Thank you.